All right, let's get going here. And we are on our last question 9 of 9. So what this is asking you to do is to match the open and closed syllables to make it a 2-syllable word of some sort. Now, you don't have to identify whether they're going to be open or closed. I certainly hope by the end of this, by the time I visit with you really quickly, that you understand open and closed. So then, my question to you would be, let's look at this. So the easiest way would be for you to probably grab a pencil and paper and do this with me. I'm going to actually do the first couple of them on the computer screen for you so that you see exactly how that's done using my trusty little pencil. So now, when you are looking at this, you are looking at the stem, which is the first part of the word, the first syllable. These are all 2-syllable words. And then you are looking at the second part here, which is then down here. I'm sorry, that just did that. Hold on while I fix that because I just messed it up. So if you scroll down to the second half of this, you'll see in question number 9, you have 2 different parts. And this is a drag and drop feature here. So let's take a look at the stem re. So you have re, and you know that's going to say e because there is no, there isn't going to be a consonant closing in that e. So this will be re. And then if you come down here, we have to find something that will go with re. So is it going to be re-per, re-sen, re-ger, re-pel, re-sick, re-der? That doesn't make any sense, because if some of these will not make, so if you put R-E-D-E-R, that makes no sense right there. So if I put R-E and then P-E-R, there's no word called that. That doesn't make sense either. So some of these have to make sense. So so re-sick, there's no word called re-sick. So please don't put that together. Repen, there is no word called repen if I used pen, so please don't use that either. So, rebought, there's no, it sounds like rebought, but that is not how you spell rebought, so that's not a word either. Refor, F-O-R-E, there's no refor, ever, so some of these do not make sense. However, there is a word called repel. That means to push it away, to drive it away, repel, like bug repellent, repel, or to come off of something. Repel means to push away. So that word would be, that word would work, repel. So you would take pel and stick it all the way up here and plop it in there. Okay, so then you're going to look at the next one, and that one's going to be cho, C-H-O, so cho, and then per, choper, no, that makes no sense. P-E-R does not make sense, because that's going to be cho, this is long O, not chopper, because then you would have a C-O-P, P. Because to make this make a ah sound, you would need to say C-H-O-P, P-E-R. Cha-ah-ah. See, that O is now closed in by the P, so it needs to be cha, cho, cho. So that does not work at all. Choper does not work. That's not a word. Chosen works. So O and S-E-N works. There's that. You would put those there, put that there, and then break it. Cho is an open syllable because there is nothing standing in the way of that O. It's open. All right. So you would take and you would drop the sen up there, drag it up there, and plop it in. Plop it in, if you can get it up there. Sometimes it doesn't want to do that, so there. Sen, cho, zen, and I keep dropping it. You gotta get it just right, so cho, zen, and I drop it in there, and then done. Alright, and then you do the rest of them by yourself. Try to find that. I'm hoping that you can get 80% or higher. If you don't, we'll have to have some words. Questions, concerns, let me know.